Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. The Motor Vehicles Act, 1988. Act number 59 of 1988, 14th October, 1988, full stop, an act to consolidate and amend the law relating to motor vehicles, full stop, be it enacted by Parliament in the 39th year of the Republic of India as follows. Chapter 1, Preliminary 1, full stop, short title, extent and commencement, full stop. This act may be called the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988, full stop. It extends to the whole of India, full stop. It shall come into force on such date as the central government may, by notification in the official gazette, appoint semicolon, and different dates may be appointed for different state, and any reference in this act to the commencement of this act shall, in relation to a state, be construed as a reference to the coming into force of this act in that state. Stop. Definitions in this act, unless the context otherwise requires, area, full stop, stanza, in relation to any provision of this act, means such area as the state government may, having regard to the requirements of that provision, specify by notification in the official gazette. Articulated vehicle means a motor vehicle to which a semi-trailer is attached. Axle weight means in relation to an axle of a vehicle, the total weight transmitted by the several wheels attached to that axle to the surface on which the vehicle rests. Certificate of registration means the certificate issued by a competent authority to the effect that a motor vehicle has been duly registered in accordance with the provisions of Chapter 4, Conductor, in relation to a stage carriage, means a person engaged in collecting fares from passengers, regulating their entrance into or exit from, full stop, stanza, the stage carriage, and performing such other functions as may be prescribed. Conductor's license means the license issued by a competent authority under Chapter 3, authorizing the person specified therein to act as a conductor. Contract carriage means a motor vehicle which carries a passenger or passenger or passengers for hire or reward and is engaged under a contract, whether expressed or implied, for the use of such vehicles as a whole, for the carriage of passengers mentioned therein, and entered into by a person with the holder of a permit in relation to such vehicle, or any person authorized by him in this behalf on a fixed or an agreed rate or sum on a time basis, comma, whether or not with reference to any route or distance or from one point to another, and in either case without stopping to pick up or set down passengers not included in the contract anywhere during the journey, full stop and over। सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर स्टेनो रिलेटेड कंटेंट्स।